लाइट जब रेडी हो अंश बता देना। कैमरा स्टार्ट हो गया? हाँ चलो। हे हाँ।
ओ हाय प्रणीति, ज़्यादा हो गई देर।
हंसते रहो।
If you want, you can discuss all your problems with me. You know, studies problem, academics, societies, anything that you want. And sex problems also.
Don't laugh!
तू साथ है, तू दूर है।
It's my
You
turn.
and I can
Shivam needs
gossip
to stop
endlessly.
speaking. Oh shit, I'm fumbling too much. Randy, ha me Randy who, Randy. Oh my god, I can't do this.
What? चल जो।
There were people who I saw, there were people who I met, and then there were people who I belonged to.
Louder.
बस इतना ही याद है मुझे। यही।
लोग कहते हैं कि दुनिया में बहुत लोग मिलेंगे जिनको मिल के, जान के, समझ के या तो प्यार आएगा या तो गुस्सा। पर मुझे इसी कॉलेज में एक ही सोसाइटी में ऐसे लोग मिले जिनको देखकर, मिलकर, समझकर प्यार वाला गुस्सा आया और गुस्से वाला प्यार। जिनकी डांट से दिल दुखा, जिनकी प्यार में दिल पिघला और जिनकी हंसी मजाक में दिल और दिन दोनों गुजर गए। कुछ ही दिनों में ये लोग इस कॉलेज को छोड़ के चले जाएंगे और ये कॉलेज सूना रह जाएगा। को-ऑप, ज़ेरॉक्स, इरफान्स ये सब काटने को भागेंगे। इनकी शक्ल देखने की, इनसे चेप होने की और इनकी आदतों की इतनी आदत हो गई है कि इनके छूटने पर भी ये नहीं छूटेंगे।
सच में ये आदत छोड़े नहीं छूटेगी। एंड फ्रैंकली मैं छोड़ना नहीं चाहती। आई कांट इमेजिन कमिंग टू कॉलेज विदाउट गेटिंग दैट डेली डोज ऑफ ताने, without getting that daily dose of dart, you know. And when I stand here and I look around, I see a picture, and you guys are part of that picture. और अब जब तुम लोग छोड़ के जा रहे हो, I just can't imagine that picture anymore. Can't believe you guys are going. तुसी जा रहे हो, तुसी ना जाओ.
For the Shivamani of street play, वर्धमान सर। सर, ये बात सबको पता है कि आप सबसे बेस्ट टफली प्लेयर हो अभी तक के एसआर की हिस्ट्री में, तो इसमें कोई वो बात नहीं है। बट लेकिन सर, आपके साथ इतनी मस्ती की है ना, शायद ही किसी के साथ की इस पूरे कॉलेज में। भले वो क्रिकेट खेल रहा हो, भले डांस आफ्टर पार्टी में डांस और मस्ती करनी हो, भले वो लास्ट जो फेयरवेल हुआ था उसके लिए डांस प्रैक्टिस की हमने 2 दिन, मज़े आ गए थे सर। सो आपके साथ बहुत मस्ती की, तो आप जा रहे हो तो मस्तियाँ तो याद आएगी, और आप तो बहुत ही याद आओगे सर। तो और आपके साथ जो फर्स्ट टीम में दौड़ की जो परफॉर्मेंस दी थी, आप डफली में मज़ा आता है
வருத்தமாண்ணா. என்றைக்குமே மறக்க முடியாதுண்ணா. எஸ்ஆர்சிசி அட்மிஷன்ல இருந்து இன்னைக்கு வரைக்கும் டஃப்லி எடுத்த வரைக்கும் உங்களை மறக்கவே முடியாது. எங்கே போனாலும் நல்லா பண்ணுங்க. ஆல் தி பெஸ்ட். மே गॉड ब्लेस यू.
जो भी इसमें तमिल बोल रहा है ना, रियली भी सेम टू सेम. बाय बाय.
डफली वाले डफली बजा.
अरे शिवम भैया आपके लिए नहीं बोल रहा है, ये वर्धमान भैया के लिए बोल रहा है.
हाँ
चल बोल.
वर्धमान सर, आप तो हमारे दौड़ टीम के टीम में ही हूँ, आप तो मेंबर हो. आधे से ज़्यादा परफॉर्मेंस में आप भी आया था हमारे साथ, कानपुर, IIT दिल्ली वगैरह.
चलो वो सब हटाओ. वैसे कॉन्सेप्ट ना आपके जो होते हैं बहुत ही तगड़े होते हैं. पता नहीं आपके ईरोड वालों में क्या ही खून है, क्या है.
Vardhaman sir, one thing that I've always learned from you is to be so calm and composed throughout whatever situation comes. And yes, you're the best daffler that we've met. Like, you know, I can sing this song for you, Daffali Wale, Daffali Baja. And yeah, I'm in love with the blue shirt of yours. And well, I can say that I wouldn't have ever gone to Miranda for the Arijit Singh or watched the MJ5 had it not been for you. So I can say that you're amazing and so much fun.
मैं जब से आपको जानता हूँ, आपकी एक बात सबसे अच्छी लगी मुझे, वो है आपका डेडिकेशन। मतलब आपने स्ट्रीट प्ले किया है, आपकी वजह से मैं इधर हूँ। आपने अपनी शिद्दत से पूरे मतलब अच्छे से अच्छे अपना किया है म्यूज़िक। डांस भी आप अच्छा कर लेते हो, क्रिकेट अच्छा कर लेते हो। मतलब कोई ऐसी चीज़ बताओ जो आप नहीं कर सकते, ये बताओ। ऐसी बात है सर कि बहुत मिस करूँगा मैं आपको। मतलब आप ऐसे सीनियर हो जिनके साथ मतलब सबसे अच्छी बॉन्डिंग रही है मेरी और सबसे अच्छी बनी है मेरी आज तक। प्लस आप ऐसे सीनियर हो जिनसे मैं आज तक बहुत कुछ सीखते आया हूँ और मैं आखिर भी सीखते रहूँगा। इसलिए मैं आपको यही बोलूँगा कि जहाँ भी जाओ, ये तो मैं जानता ही हूँ कि आप एक्सेल करोगे ही करोगे और बहुत मिस करूँगा मैं आपको।
Savina! Okay, so I remember seeing the first performance of Studio Ruins when I came in as a freshman, and I remember the most impactful scene of the entire play was the scene in which you change into a mirror. Like, I thought that scene was like brilliant, and I wanted to meet you afterwards. I came and met everybody, and I met you, and you were really fun to talk to. I love that we shared like the same like bond over like economics honors, because you like the same things that I do about this course, and also you like cats though. Like, I mean, I don't like cats as much. I'm a dog person, but like you talking about your cats actually, like, you know, make them seem cool, I guess. Also, when I came for Checkpost and you inspired me to write too much, and I saw you struggling to get that magazine together, and I always wanted to help you because you gave off this like aura ki plea, like, you know, ki you've inspired me to write whatever, so I wanted you to help. That's what I mean. Blah blah blah. Anyway, do good out there. I know that you're very smart, and you want to do a dual major course or something. You spoke to me about it, and that's it. Bye. Farewell.
Hi Sushant. I really wish I'd gotten to know you better. I mean, the only interaction I've had with you is a hi and a bye. And you seem like a really nice guy. You seem really funny and, you know, full of life. But also, you're a complete nerd. That's what I know about you. I mean, you got a 90% and you had your phone confiscated. Wow. So, I hope that wherever you go, you achieve whatever you want to do. And, well, bye.
Hello, Ben! You know, we just did this like 2 seconds
we
ago.
We did this again,
yeah,
it's a retake.
It's a retake,
so,
fuck that.
Yeah.
Oh, so yeah, I was telling the camera beforehand that, you know, you look like Prince Charming. And the only difference is that you can pull off maroon pants or Prince Charming can't.
Even yellow.
Indeed,
actually,
yellow.
Bright yellow.
Yes, you have very colourful collection of pants.
Very colourful indeed.
I envy that. And I envy your rumor spreading abilities, the fake rumor spreading abilities.
Have I suffered that? I don't think so.
No, not yet.
Yeah, not yet.
Not
Thank
yet.
God.
Meghna is the main victim.
Meghna is the main victim, and that's good enough.
Yeah, that's good enough. It's always funny.
Apart from that, yeah, you're a very funny guy. Extremely funny.
Indeed, man,
funny?
indeed. He is funny.
Yes, he is funny.
Saif Ali Khan impressions.
Saif Ali Khan expressions.
Yeah, what the
impressions?
hell, man? Lace me, do char, and fuck like that.
Something like that.
Funny,
Yeah, that was hilarious.
Indeed. Yeah, and we had a lot of fun in the first year. Second year, not so much because we couldn't meet you as much. But yeah, it was really nice knowing you.
It was.
And you were a fun, carefree, chill dude who seems awesome in every aspect of life. And yeah, just stay that way,
Seems
man.
awesome and is awesome. I think I'll give it.
Yeah,
I'll give
it's
it
awesome. Indeed.
Yes.
Stay that way, my friend.
Ta-ta.
Ta-ta, indeed.
Oh, hi Priyadi.
आई नो इस चीज़ से आपको बहुत नफरत है, बट तंग करने में आपको बहुत मज़ा आता है। आपकी हमसे काफ़ी कम बात हुई है, पर जितनी हुई है बहुत पसंद आया। सच्ची में दिल से आपको भी बहुत पसंद करते हैं हम, और काफ़ी दुख लगेगा आप चले जाओगे, आपको काफ़ी मिस करेंगे हम। लव यू, बाय।
हाय प्रिया दी।
प्रिया दी, आप चुप चुप से रहा करते थे, लेकिन आपकी प्रेजेंस अलग ही थी। आपकी हंसी पे तो मैं मानती हूँ कोई भी फिदा हो सकता है। और
पता है मुझे प्रिया दी के दो राज पता है। अच्छा। एक राज चलो मैं थोड़ा डिस्क्लोज ही करना चाहूँगी, बट एक जो मैं शेयर करना चाहूँगी, आई एम रियली वेरी सॉरी, मैंने आपके ध्रुव बत्स को छीन लिया, बट क्या करूँ, है ही वो ऐसी चीज़, सारा पूरा या फर्स्ट या सेकंड या थर्ड या सब पागल है, बट मैंने ले लिया, छीन लिया। बट प्रिया दी,
ध्रुव बत्स सबका है, नाखत्सा सबके हैं।
अच्छा, हम प्रिया दी के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, प्रिया दी के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं। प्रिया दी, आप ऐसे छोड़ के मत चल जाना, आना मिलने हमसे, क्योंकि आप ऐसे सीनियर हो जिनके साथ मैंने बहुत कुछ शेयर किया है, एंड आई वांट कि आप पार्ट ऑफ लाइफ रहो फॉर लाइफ लॉन्ग। विल मिस यू ऑल।
विल मिस यू।
So Pudhir, you're evil. You look shari, but you're not. You're really evil. Also, your sense
He's
of
not
humor,
that evil, yeah.
He is. He's evil. He's wily. Also, your sense of humor is not very good, as you like to believe.
Knock jokes though, with Suraj.
And fail puns. They are really fail. Okay. So, Sudhir, you've been one of those seniors who I don't have to talk to on a regular basis, or I don't have to tell things. You observe people, you know things, and you've always been someone who's encouraged me, who's always believed in me, and no matter what happened, you've always had my back. So, thank you for that.
Yeah.
When I first met Sudhir, I never thought that I would have this kind of bonding with him that I have right now. For the first 3-4 months, we hardly spoke, and it was never really, we didn't have a positive vibe and all, but with time, he became my closest friend in Ramsock. And it's not only that, like in production also, I was a very lazy person, everyone knows that, and never really worked or did anything. But with Sudhir, it was never work. It was really fun, and not only about Ramsock, but I can talk to him for like hours about things outside Ramsock as well. And I have a very different kind of bond that I have with Sudhir. I don't think I have that with any other senior in Ramsock.
Hi Sudhir. So my story of Ramsock starts because of you. You used reverse psychology to include me in the society, and that's something that I'm always going to be really grateful to you for. It's only because you're so smart and witty and cunning that you got me here. So I'm always going to be really grateful, and I always remember this. And I remember how you put up really ugly pictures of me and her on Facebook, and then you strike deals with us that, you know, have to treat you at Dunkin', have to treat you at Starbucks.
Yeah, which
but
is not
that's
happening.
Not happening,
Yeah,
so
no.
Not happening.
You're also the last person we expected to watch Grey's Anatomy. Not only do you follow the shows more regularly than we do, you also email spoilers and you WhatsApp pictures of the season finale, which is really lame. Yeah.
And then if I don't send it to her, you act like you have
Again,
to
you
send
threaten
it.
us.
Threatening is something that goes with you, Sudhir. But jokes apart, I think you're one of the most hardworking people I've met, and you've always been there, always been very approachable. So I'm going to miss having you around.
We troubled you a lot. We could say anything to you because you were just so approachable. If you had to go home early or not bunk practice, we always went to you. So yeah.
We miss you.
You are a silent worker. There is always this set of people who will do itna and will project itna, but you're a silent worker, okay? And I find you really mysterious, Sudhir. I mean, I don't know what you do with your life. I mean, I remember in that metro ride also I asked you that, Sudhir, what do you do when you get home? And you replied like normal stuff, like watching sitcoms and sleeping and stuff like that. But I seriously think you're a serial killer.
Even though you're right here next to me, I still miss you every second, Sudhir. Even though you could be
black.
Yes, it's black, everyone knows that. And you know, even though you're a bitch during Histrionica, where are the posters, Suraj? Why are you so late, Suraj, motherfucker? But yeah, it was fun because you're a very nice guy. And 47th, All India, 47th, right? Yes, ooh, you still haven't given me a treat. You conjuice motherfucker. But yeah, you're still a very nice guy. And
black.
You deserve like the best things in life, even though all the best things in life are black. aren't black actually, although you are, so that's quite a contradiction.
You're kind of black, man.
Yeah, and there's a baboon over there. Why? I don't know. Maybe it's reminiscent of you. Something that sort. Yeah. Anyways, yeah. So you're a really nice guy, and
I'm black.
Thanks for being there. You've always been the funny guy to hang out with. The knock jokes we cracked were the funniest in the world. Knock, who's there? Pain who? Campaign, remember that? Genius, indeed, genius. And the other one, knock, who's there? Juana who married Juana? yes, all of that, genius. But I'm gonna miss you, Budhir, because I have a feeling that you'll sink into the realms of accountancy and you'll never see us anymore.
Or you could just like hide in shadows. Because he's
Fuck you.
black.
Fuck you, Sudhir.
Lastly, may the Lord of Light be with you, for the night is dark and full of terrors.
Hi Rishabha.
Hi Rishabha.
So you're the sole reason why I'm in Ramstock today, because you convinced me to take it over Depstock, and I owe you a lot for that. You were an incredible friend to both of us, both in practice during down floor, those few times that you came.
Few times,
and off practice. So thank you so much for that.
And thank you so much for joining Black Comedy. I'll wait briefly. We miss you around, and I don't know how we would have got you to talk in Hindi for the play, but we miss you. And have a good future.
Hi Mansi. So I was just thinking मैं क्या बोलूँ मानसी के लिए उसके वीडियो में, and then I just remembered in first year you were taking a meeting before Histrionica, you know, to give us a pep talk and stuff like that, and you were sitting side में and then you just rolled. You just fell and DJ was trying to cover it, but you were so cute. And you know why it is funny? Because in your context, people, I really, by the way, I always used to take your side when people used to make fun of you. People take you for granted, Mansi. I'll tell you that. Nilesh, सारा assignment, सारा CR work तुमसे कराता है. I know everything. Anyhow, so you have this cute सा baby elephant image, you know, and when you rolled over, it was really cute. No, but on a serious note, Mansi, you are one of the seniors जो जिताता नहीं था, मैं senior हूँ, और जो जिताता नहीं था मैं काम करती हूँ, और बहुत you're really nice, you're a wonderful person to know, and I wish you all the best for the future.
आपको काफ़ी मिस करेंगे, पता है, जब आप चले जाओगे, आपके साथ काम करना, आपसे काफ़ी कुछ सीखना हिस्ट्रोनिका के टाइम पे, दैट वाज एक्चुअली एन एक्सपीरियंस. काफ़ी आपके प्रोफेशनलिज्म, आपकी मल्टीटास्किंग, आपकी क्रिएटिविटी, काफ़ी कुछ सीखा मैंने आपसे. और पता है, अब जब आप चले जाओगे तो जो आपने सिखाया मुझे काफ़ी मिस करूँगी. ये चीज़ें मैंने भी ट्राई की कि मैं भी इनकलकेट कर सकूँ, बट आप ही हो, काफ़ी कूल हो आप. आई विल मिस यू. बाय.
आपके बारे में अगर कभी भी दिमाग में कुछ आता है तो वो एक चीज़ आती है, एनर्जी. आपकी वजह से बहुत डांट खाई है हमने, क्योंकि हम जब भी थकते थे हमें कहा जाता था मानसी दी जैसे बनो, मानसी दी जैसे बनो. हम सोचते थे क्या है मानसी दी, पर 2 साल में आपको देख के पता चल गया कि आप क्या हो. ऐसी कोई चीज़ नहीं थी आपने जो की हो जिसमें एनर्जी ना हो, जिसमें जोश ना हो. मैं यही दुआ करूँगी कि आप ज़िंदगी भर इसी जोश के साथ, इसी एनर्जी के साथ रहें, और आपके एफबी पे जो बहुत ही एक्साइटिंग पोस्ट आते रहते हैं वो हमें भी एनर्जी भरते रहें. वी मिस यू मानसी दी. ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर योर लाइफ. लव यू.
Hi Arushi, you're one person who always exudes joy and happiness, and we spent so many good times together. Never change no matter what you become in life, wherever you go. I'll really miss you. All the best.
Enactus, street, Enactus, Tuhinadi. Yes, I can manage both. Tuhinadi, throughout my first year, you've been an amazing guide and such an inspiration. You're like the perfect combination of beauty, an amazing singer, and very good at studies also. And I'm so happy that you've got placed in Citibank. All the best for that.
This is for the beauty who tamed the beast. Hi Tuhina. You've been such a great source of inspiration for me, and it's been great working with you in Two Societies. You're a lot of fun to work with. You're so fierce, you're so bold, and you've really impacted me in so many ways. All the best for your future, and I'm sure you'll do great wherever you go.
आप जैसी स्वीट, ब्यूटीफुल और क्यूट सीनियर शायद ही मैंने कहीं देखी है. माई फर्स्ट मेमोरीज ऑफ यू, आपने शिवम सर को चाटा मारा था जिसे देखकर मैं बहुत शॉक हो गई थी. और आपकी वो मदरली इमेज जहाँ आप कपड़े धो रही हो. बट अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट आई थिंक आप बहुत ही एक्टिव पर्सन हो, बहुत ही डायनामिक पर्सनैलिटी है आपकी. आई जस्ट होप कि फ्यूचर में यू गेट ऑल दी हैप्पीनेस इन लाइफ एंड यू ऑल्सो पास ऑन दैट हैप्पीनेस टू निलेश. ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट इन लाइफ एंड वी रियली लव यू.
Hi Lavan. Lavan, I've known you since school and luckily we ended up in the same college. I remember troubling you so much in my first year with stupid questions and queries, and you've always been very sweet and considerate. So even though we haven't spent a lot of time together and we haven't spoken much in college, you have been and you'll always be a very dear friend, and I'm going to miss seeing you around. Bye.
Lavan! So I didn't know you were in Dramsoc until the end of first year. I know you through Enactus, and it was such a relief knowing you were in Enactus because everybody there was so serious and all about work, and you were the guy who was total chiller types matlab. So that's what I'll remember about you कि भाई लवन चौरसिया को कभी लाइफ में टेंशन नहीं होती है, बंदा एंजॉय करता है, and yeah, you're a really nice guy. So I miss you, Lavan.
So everything was fine except for the following points. Vishnu, your hair was out of place. Anmol, you smiled when your back was towards the audience. Krishnan, you were looking at your feet when you were in the wings. No, concentrate on the panel. And yeah, Pallavi, no.
So that was Madhurima for you. Hi Madhurima. We love you, we love you, we love you. We love you because you're tall. We love you because you've large feet.
I love you because you have great taste in music.
And I love you because great taste in men, huh?
Tall men and where to find them? Huh, Madhurima, you'd know all about that, wouldn't you?
So Radhika, संभालो अपने आप को. We know that you're going and you're gonna miss us, but then wherever you go, ISB and
Science and Analytics, Madhurima, you're gonna do well wherever you go, and I wish for all the best. I wish you all the best.
Yeah, we wish you all the best. We love you, we wanna miss you.
Bye.
Bye.
Hi Madhurima. So I think you'd agree that our most memorable moment together was that rickshaw ride where we managed to creep everyone out, including Ansh. The truth is, I think we've reached this level of comfort where we really don't think about what we say before we actually tell something to each other, be it all the creepy talk that we have or the kinkies. And I really don't get your preferences in men, okay? Be it hairy men like Bhasin and tall men and shit. But anyway, just wanted to congratulate you on Yale and Jacob. And I mean, sometimes you should leave your books, man, and spend some time with us, because I guess this is going to be the last month where we'll actually get some time to spend. And just wanted to wish you best of luck. I love you, and I'm really going to miss you.
We had DJ on one hand who used to comment on my dressing sense every day, and we had Nilesh on the other hand who used to, oh my god, he used to harass me. I should have filed a complaint with the college, But you were there, and then you would just pat my head, and I don't know, I really felt good. Like I would just go to you whenever they would irritate me, and yeah. So you were a motherly figure. I know you'll get creeped out, but you were, and this meal we had in Bombay, you know, Gulmohar, like अपने accommodation के सामने we had this meal. I really enjoyed that meal, Madhurima. Like there was no small talk. We were just eating, and it was really nice. I don't know whether you remember it or not. So I'll obviously miss you, Madhurima. I'll miss you a lot.
You are a crazy overachiever. You will never be satisfied, right? I always remember during rehearsals, whenever I thought I gave the best shot, you used to come up to me and say, you know you can do better. And I was like, what? They're all saying that was my best, and you weren't happy, and that always bothered me because I always valued your inputs. Because I think I really love you. You were my vegetarian companion across the table. But then I don't think we hung out that much. You got busy with academics and prioritized and shit like that. But please stay in touch. Please do.
How do you make a dead baby float? You take your foot off its head. Okay, so this is the first dead baby joke you told me when I was like working for Noises Off and you were helping me out with your character. Thank you so much for that, because I used to kill myself in every rehearsal to make sure that at the end of the rehearsal, I'm not in your list, like in a negative wala section. We used to just like make eye contact with doors ke piche se after my every cue to make sure कि मैंने सब कुछ सही किया है कि नहीं, like and stuff like that. It was really like cool and reaffirming that I'm doing something that you agree with. And I don't think you're flat-chested, by the way, contrary to popular opinion. And congratulations for Yale. I recently found out like you're killer and you're going to do really well in life. And I know that you're not the most outgoing person at all, because your mother locks you in a dungeon and doesn't let you out and feeds you rajma chawal with a pipe. But I hope that I was able to spend more time with you Bahar. I did, like, you know, remember we went for this play together to watch like a Stephens play, Bahar, and it was like the worst play ever. But it was like very memorable for me because I spent like a lot of time laughing with you. So I'll really miss you, and you will have the best time out there at Yale. So goodbye.
Hi Madhurima. It's very sad for me to think that you are graduating, because I barely saw you this semester, or actually this whole year, and which was quite a change for us, because you were always there for us in our first year. I remember every practice you used to be there, and you used to like note like on your phone everything we were doing wrong, and I would just run to you after every run through and ask you like what I did wrong, what I did right. And you were a big guiding force over there. And even though you're graduating, I know for a fact that I'll still be posting like random songs on your wall, and praying and waiting for you to reply to those and to reply to my WhatsApps, because you don't do that. So that kind of hurts actually. Yeah, I'll miss you. Bye. Hello Kabir sir. I wasn't selected in street, but you gave me my chance. You have no idea how thankful I am for that. Throughout the street first year, you have been like the father of Daud. The first time I called you, I remember you said, "Haan beta bol." That was so touching. I mean, you've mentored us, taken care of us whenever we've been sad. You've talked us and made sure that all of us are fine. There's no other Kabir sir is what we can say, because we see so many people and you're so different from each one of them. Unique and a brilliant actor. Well, one thing, you are so heavy. I remember the funniest performance we had in Hindu, and you were sitting on my back alone, and dude, I was like, my back is breaking and you're laughing. So annoying.
Crazy! अरे कॉपी करना छोड़ दो कबीर सर. सर पता है, जब मैंने पहली बार प्राथमिक देखा था तो उस पूरे प्ले में सिर्फ मुझे एक ही एक्टर दिखाई दिया था, वो आप थे. आप बड़े ही मैच्योर और सुलझे हुए आदमी हो. आपके साथ और यादव सर के साथ बिताया हुआ इरफान पे हर पल मुझे हमेशा याद रहेगा. पता नहीं कबीर सर, आपके साथ टाइम बिताने में ऐसा लगता है कि जैसे मैं खेल टीम के साथ हूँ. बस एक छोटी सी एडवाइस ही सर, लाइफ में थोड़ा प्रैक्टिकल कम हो जाओ. बस अब मैं यही कह सकता हूँ लास्ट में, It was a pleasure to meet you, sir. Pleasure to meet you.
Hi, Kabir. So when we found out that you want to act in your third year, we got so excited. and we pounced at the opportunity because we knew that this would just finish the whole picture and would complete the picture, and this is exactly what we were looking for. But I was so skeptical as well because I used to always think, how will I direct him? How will we say that this is not right, Kabir, do it like this? And how will you take feedback? Because obviously we respected you so much as a first year. But I say this on behalf of both Puri and me, and he's chilling with his Ramjas friends right now as usual, that thank you for not letting anything come into the way, for being so open to feedback and changes the whole time, for being there for each and every practice, for giving us the same respect, and for just being so easy to work with. I will respect you for this all my life, and I know because of this characteristics of yours, you will achieve everything that you want to in life, and I genuinely hope, whether it's Bollywood or anything else, you reach wherever you want to and you'll do really great in life. Thank you again. I'll miss you.
Kabir sir, you have always been someone who we've always looked up to and had a lot of respect for, and although I personally haven't had the chance to work with you a lot, but then your presence over there has been a lot of support for all of us, and we're really going to miss you once you're gone.
सर नॉइसेस आपके सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट प्रोडक्शन मेंबर तो आप ही हो। जो आपने उस पेंट लगाए वो दरवाज़ों पे, आज तक वही चमकते रहते हैं वो दरवाजे। सर सबसे मेरा फेवरेट मोमेंट आपके साथ तब था जब मैं आपके साथ बॉम्बे गया था मूड इंडिगो के लिए, और आपकी जो सेंस ऑफ ह्यूमर है उसके बारे में मैं क्या ही बोलूँ।
मुझे एक जोक याद है, हम लोग बहुत गंदी ट्रेन जर्नी के बाद नहाने गए थे अरुण के घर पे, और आप नहा के निकले, आपने टाल पहना हुआ था और आपने बोला था कि देखो लगता है नया जन्म हुआ है। आई लव दैट जोक।
सर सबसे पहले जब मैंने दौड़ देखा था, आई जस्ट रियली वांटेड टू वर्क विद यू, एंड आई एम ग्लैड दैट विश केम टू इन ब्लैक कॉमेडी। सर विदाउट यू ब्लैक कॉमेडी वोंट हैव बीन पॉसिबल। I really respect the fact how you've always been there for everybody, how you go out of your way to make everyone feel comfortable. जब भी मैं सोसाइटी के बारे में सोचती हूँ सर, सबसे पहले आपका नाम ही दिमाग में आता है।
Absolutely, I agree. बहुत रिस्पेक्ट है मेरे लिए, लाइक आपके लिए मेरी तरफ से। मुझे याद है कोई भी इवेंट चल रहा हो, सोसाइटी का फेयरवेल, वर्कशॉप, कुछ भी, और आप जब भी चल रहे होते हैं सोसाइटी के अराउंड, आप सबके स्पिरिट्स लिफ्ट कर देते हैं। अगर आपका मूड ख़राब है तो सबका मूड ख़राब है, आपका मूड अच्छा है तो सबका मूड अच्छा है। तो मुझे बहुत खुशी मिलती थी आपके चेहरे पे खुशी देख के। मुझे याद है उन्होंने इवेंट्स के बीच में आप मुझे साइड लेके जाते थे, बोलते थे विष्णु तुम्हारा मूड क्यों लटका हुआ है, तुम्हारा मूड लटका होगा तो सबका मूड लटक जाएगा। तो वो बात मुझे दिल को बहुत छुई। यू आर अ ब्रिलियंट एक्टर, आई लर्न सो मच फ्रॉम यू, you mean a lot to the society, and we all will miss you so much, so bye.
Hi Priyamvada sir.
सर मुझे अभी भी याद है, मेरी वर्कशॉप के टाइम पे मुझे सबसे ज़्यादा डर आपसे ही लगता था। आई यूज़ टू प्रे एवरी डे कि मैं प्लीज़ आपके ग्रुप में ना आ जाऊँ गलती से।
सर मेरा कुछ कम्प्लीटली ऑपोजिट ही हुआ। पहली बार जब आपने कॉमन कॉल करा था कोऑप पे, तब से मैं आपकी आवाज़ का फ़ैन हो गया हूँ।
सर मुझे आप जब भी मिलते थे मुझे हमेशा ये पता रहता था कि आप और कुछ पूछो ना पूछो, ये तो ज़रूर पूछोगे कि तू जिंदा है, तो वो मुझे हमेशा याद रहेगा आपके बारे में।
सर भले ही मैंने आपसे 10-10 घंटे बैठ के बातें ना करी हो, लेकिन आई ऑलवेज बीन अ साइलेंट एडमायरर ऑफ योर्स, एंड अब आप जा रहे हो तो मैंने सोचा मैंने की एडमिरेशन वोकल कर दूँ।
Sir, I'm lucky enough to have worked with you in 2 societies, and I remember that one night in Kanpur when we had a bonding session and you really opened up to us. That is one of my favorite memories from Kanpur. So, sir, I really respect you and I really admire you as a person.
And sir, we know that wherever you go and whatever you do in life, you're always going to be very successful. And we wish
आप कविताएं लिखना अपनी।
And we wish you all the best. Bye.
Bye.
यादव सर आप हमारे सबसे प्यारे सीनियर हो। आपके आग जली के बिना तो ओहा बस अधूरा सा ही लगता है। आपने तो मुझे हमेशा ही मोटिवेट किया है, पर मैं ये चाहता हूँ कि आप हमेशा अपनी लाइफ में हार्डवर्क करते रहो और अपने गोल को ज़रूर अचीव करो। ये सब लोग शायद जानते नहीं हैं आपका गोल पीएम बनने का है। बस यही दुआ है सर, आप जो भी करो अच्छा करो, सक्सीड करो लाइफ में।
Hi Priyamvada.
Hi Priyamvada.
So we had to ask you once, and then you went out of your way to help us out with Black Comedy. Whether that meant coming on Sundays and helping us edit our scripts, or just being there whenever we needed you in Kanpur. Thank you so much for everything.
Yeah, like thanks a lot. Very genuinely, like I don't know where our play would be without you. I hope we're seeing you this Sunday. There's a free ticket already waiting for you. It's free. You can come for the 5th time and watch the play.
Yeah.
And also just reduce the volume of your voice a little because right now it's थोड़ी ज़्यादा है. Thanks.
बहुत ज़्यादा है.
See you.
Bye.
हाय कबीर यादव सर, आप दोनों की वजह से आज यहाँ बैठे हैं सबके साथ. अगर कॉलेज ने मुझे कुछ दिया है तो वो 2 चीज़ है, एक इको ऑनर्स की डिग्री और दूसरा आप दोनों, क्योंकि आप दोनों की वजह से दौड़ मिली मुझे, भ्रम मिला मुझे, ड्रामेटिक सोसाइटी मिली मुझे. आई लव यू बोथ.
सच्ची ऐसा लगता है कि हम लोग काफ़ी टाइम से आपको जानते हैं. 2 साल मतलब लगा ही नहीं, हम 2 साल ही हुए हैं सिर्फ हमें जानते हुए, और अब आप लोग को जाना पड़ रहा है. सच्ची मन ही नहीं कर रहा आपको छोड़ने का.
छोड़ रहे हैं, नहीं छोड़ रहे भैया, कहाँ जाने दे रहे हैं. एक तो यहाँ पकड़ के रखा है और दूसरे की कबीर सर आपके लिए भी स्ट्रेटजी हम बना रहे हैं, आपको कैसे यहाँ रखनी है, ठीक है, कहीं नहीं जाने. हाँ बिल्कुल बनाऊंगी. नहीं, कबीर यादव ये नाम एक साथ ही आएगा, जैसे यू नो और क्या ये सब कह रहे हैं. हाँ, अकबर बीरबल के बाद कोई नाम अगर साथ में आएगा गे कपल का तो कबीर यादव ही होगा. नहीं, आप लोग कहीं जा नहीं रहे हो वैसे तो, पर ठीक है थोड़ा सेंटी करना है तो मैसेज दे देती हूँ. हाँ सेंटी कर देते. नहीं, आप लोग हमेशा हमारे मम्मी पापा जैसे हो. यादव सर बीइंग द मम्मी एंड कबीर सर पापा.
खड़ूस पापा.
मेरे तो सच में पापा थे भैया. गुप्ता जी का बेटा आगे बढ़ रहा है. देखो गुप्ता जी का बेटा बहुत आगे बढ़ रहा था, मैं भी आगे बढ़ गई. तो ठीक है, बहुत ज़्यादा ठरक भर दिया आपने, तो कोई बात नहीं. प्यार भी आप लोगों ने बहुत ज़्यादा दिया है. आप लोगों के बिना कॉलेज आने का सच में मन ही नहीं करेगा और बहुत ज़्यादा सूना सूना लगेगा.
एंड आई थिंक इस टाइम पे हम सबको वो टाइम याद आ रहा है जब कबीर सर ने वो बाय किया था पिछली फेयरवेल में. एंड बहुत खतरनाक बाय था.
उतना सेंटी नहीं हो कर पाएंगे आप
बिल्कुल भी नहीं. बट इट्स इम्पॉसिबल टू इमेजिन कि आज हम उस प्लेस में हैं और हम आप लोगों को वो बाय कह रहे हैं. बट जैसे कुंदी ने कहा शायद हम वो बाय कभी नहीं कह पाएंगे, क्योंकि आप लोग एक्चुअली हमारे कॉलेज का एक इंट्रिंसिक फीचर हो जो कभी भी नहीं भुला सकते.
आप दोनों से एक रिक्वेस्ट करेंगे कि जब आप दोनों बड़े आदमी बन जाओगे, जो आप लोग बनने वाले हो, हाँ, तो हमें भूलना मत, हमारा फोन रिसीव कर लेना और मैसेज का रिप्लाई भी कर दिया.
ये 3 मिनट्स काफी तो नहीं है आपके बारे में बोलने के लिए व्हाट वी हैव बीन थ्रू, बट इसलिए टू कट इट शॉर्ट सर, वी मिस यू अ लॉट.
आपके साथ ऐसा बॉन्ड बने जो शायद ही किसी सीनियर के साथ बना हो. बहुत दिल से याद करूंगी आपको. तो छोड़ मत जाना.
चलो आपको सीनियर्स के एक्चुअली में
इतना टाइम स्पेंड किया साथ, इतने बॉन्ड्स डेवलप किए. सर थैंक यू, आपकी वजह से हम एक टीम है और हमें बहुत कुछ सीखा. आपने हमें बहुत हंसाया और हम डेफिनेटली आप दोनों
रुलाया भी यार, बहुत
रुलाया.
आपके पक्ष बड़े हो गए.
आपके सामने मैं रोया हूँ, हंसा हूँ सर, सबके आपके सामने. इतनी आपने कॉन्फिडेंस दिया है 2 साल में सर, कोई और नहीं दे सकता था. थैंक यू सर.
यादव सर के साथ तो बियॉन्ड ड्रामेटिक्स है, माय रूममेट, एंड नेक्स्ट ईयर भी रहेंगे आप, क्योंकि मैं आपको किसी ना किसी तरह तो रोक लूंगा. नवीन भी बोल दो, डायरेक्टर है बोल. नवीन
कबीर सर, यादव सर, अगर कबीर सर के बारे में बात बोलूँ तो सर को मैं करीब लास्ट 8 साल से जानता हूँ. स्कूल में एक साथ थे और यहाँ पे जाके 2 साल से इतना निकल गया पता भी नहीं चला कैसे. मिस करूँगा आपको, बिकॉज आपके साथ बहुत टाइम से जाया मैंने. एंड यादव सर, फर्स्ट में लगा कि आप बहुत स्ट्रिक्ट हो, आपने कुछ बात करने में कुछ मतलब फ़ायदा नहीं है, आप कुछ ना कुछ सुनोगे ना कुछ बोलोगे. बट सेकेंड में आके देखा कि आप बहुत ज़्यादा सपोर्टिव हो हमारे लिए और हमें आप हमेशा सपोर्ट करते हो. और हमें जो भी कुछ शेयर करना हो तो आप मतलब कर सकते हैं. तो आप दोनों को बहुत मिस करेंगे सर.
और यादव सर, कबीर सर, आप दोनों की वजह से मैं हिंदी बोलना सीख लिया, अभी थोड़ा थोड़ा सा सीख लिया. तो और क्या मत करना सी. और आप दोनों को बहुत मिस करेगा. और क्या बोल. हाँ बोल. मैं बहुत मिस करूँगा.
यादव सर यार, आपके बिना मतलब पटेल जी में कितना मिस करेंगे आपको.
ये तो सही बात है.
शेरा.
अरे मैं दिल्ली आने से पहले मैं चाय तक नहीं पीता था. तो आप यादव सर, आपकी वजह से ना मैंने चाय पीना शुरू कर दिया. अब इतना पीता हूँ.
मैं गालियाँ नहीं देती थी, माँ बहन नहीं कर देती हूँ मैं.
हेलो, आप सब चुप. एक बंदा बोलेगा.
राजा.
यो मजा आएगा.
कबीर सर, यादव सर, कैसे आप में
कैसा कितना दिमाग है आपके पास? I couldn't even believe this. No, sir. What later after this year? Like, I won't start. If I start, I won't stop, sir. Kabir sir, Yadav sir, love you.
Love you.
Love you.
Hi Aditi. Aditi, do you remember my production interview? I remember you were being really strict and it was a huge task for you, I could tell. And then you asked me to sing a song. And after I sang it, you became a different person. You were just so sweet and really nice to me after that. So, since day one, music has been that one thing that we've bonded over. And you're probably the only person who's as crazy about Amit Trivedi, Unplugged and Coke Studio as I am. Seriously. So yeah, finally you're going, so I can say this. You love him more and he's all yours. Be happy. There are so many things that I'm going to miss when you're gone. Like, I'm going to miss the random WhatsApp conversations that consist of songs only. I'm going to miss seeing you in college and getting all happy. I'm going to miss hugging you. Like, college will suck without you. I'm going to miss you a lot. I love you so much. Bye.
I was the cheapest junior to Aditi because I used to call her and force her to doing things like the stupidest thing, like participating with me for a Bollywood quiz. By the way, we came second, so yeah, Aditi. And so it was very fun, and she's always there for you. Like, if you tell her to do something, she'll always do it for you, and she is a darling. Aditi is actually a darling.
Hi Aditi! You are one of the cutest persons I have ever met in my entire life.
Second cutest Aditi after me, but you had a major personality change from our first year to now.
Initially you were this one senior we were really scared of, and I don't know when, but then you became one of our favorite seniors.
So you're so cute and so vibrant and so full of life and so happy all the time that whenever I go to the co-op and I see you, my day just becomes happy all of a sudden. I'm going to miss having that face around and all those stupid songs that we sing. So
yeah, and now that you've become all cool, you better make us meet Ayushmann.
Yeah, do make us meet Ayushmann and Ranvij and all those other people I told you about. So, but don't go Aditi.
Please don't go, we'll miss you.
Bye.
Hey, Ahuja. I wish there was a pit stain here because it looked much funnier, but you know, that's just how life is. One journey without a pit stain. Anyways, yeah, you were an awesome dude and I had a lot of fun with you. The thing is, I can't say a lot of things about you right now because, not because it's secret, you don't have any secrets, you're a very open man. Even in your heart and your other areas, if you know what I mean. Even if you don't, it's fine. But anyways, I just wanted to say that the reason I can't say a lot of things is because I don't believe this is a farewell. I don't believe this is farewell, at least from my side, because I think you'll be in my life later as well. I don't know. Maybe it was all that talk from Andhra Bhavan. Maybe it was the gunpowder masala. I don't know. It's just insane, man. Although you never bought me chicken. What the fuck is wrong with you? But yeah, I'm not gonna miss you because yeah, I'll be seeing you more in life, and I hope you have the very best in life. And I know you'll be good because you got like good shit. So yeah, congratulations and. Be cool, stay happy, and stop being so cynical, motherfucker. But yeah, anyways, nice knowing you, and I will know you more further in life, something of that sort. Yes.
Hi Avi, I started hanging out with you very recently in the past, and I think I've loved it. I've loved every bit of it. I mean, of course, we are very different people. We have completely different political opinions and notions, but hey, we both like single chocolate chip, right? And then you hate paneer, and I kind of don't understand how you can hate paneer, but then we are both a part of the art and culture fan club, or more like the pseudo art and culture fan club. And then, oh yeah, you enjoy music like Main Rang Sharbaton Ka, Tu Meethi Ghat Ka Pani, I mean, what? And you dislike Coldplay. How? But then, we're both very poor decision makers. So what I'm trying to say is that we're kind of similar. And that I think it's been like a lot of fun just hanging out with you, and I'm really gonna miss you, and I can promise that so will you.
Abhi is the first person that I call once I see a Facebook post announcing a new gig, and once he's confirmed, I think you have assurance that you have conveyance to and fro from the venue. But yeah, on a more serious note, I think I enjoy discussing music with you, especially the kind of music that we like and people around us despise it. So yeah, but I think he's the one person that's more relatable to me than any other person in the batch, especially with academics, where I think being in SRCC and getting 60% in BCom and you have no hope in life, and looking at Avi Ahuja and the way he's going, I think you have some hope left. But yeah, I think now that you've got a job in Barclays and you'll be around in Noida, hope to bump into you at a few more gigs. And yeah, best of luck with Barclays and try not to sell out, fucker.
Avi, so like a lot of people in this college would feel that you're like pompous, an asshole, arrogant. I mean, sadly they'll be wrong. A lot of people in this college would feel that you don't take a bath, you don't have clothes, you have swallowed the thesaurus and come to college, you can't text properly, you construct jokes at the end of your textbook to impress people. All this is true, but they're missing out on the bigger picture. I came to know you in the summer of 2013 properly, and I also knew things in the surface pehle. Like, you are very good with puns. If your sense of humor is pretty good, like if my sense of humor is here, your sense of humor is like itna sa upar bas, zyada kuch nahi. You like death metal and stuff. That you're not into cheesy shit. You don't like showing stuff off. You were a non-believer in cheesiness, which made me happy. I agree. But then, I was also missing out on the bigger picture. I came to know you more, and I figured out that it's very simple to understand what Avi Ahuja is as a person. Like, Avi Ahuja is a very simple organism. Your love and affection is like a ninja. Your friendship is like a ninja friendship. Like, everything's in the background, you're awkward and you're socially anxious, but you would actually project your love through like little ways which, people really wouldn't notice. Like, if your friend is drunk and out of his mind next to a pool, somewhere, and you would actually give up drugs and sit next to that friend and help him out and shit. And, stuff like that. And I'm very happy that you didn't go to Hyderabad, because, I would have harangued you and took a flight there and would have, publicly attacked you anyway. And I'm happy that you have a bank job in Noida. Jason Statham reference. But, and I'm not very good with goodbyes. There's a paper here, by the way, that I'm reading from. Anyway, this is not goodbye, because, you are going nowhere. You are right here, metaphorically and physically. You are in Noida, and I'm never leaving you, Brokeback. You are going to be always here, and I'm going to be always here. And anyway, that's it. Also, I bought you a soap box because, you'll go away to your office, you won't have time to like really bathe properly. So Synthol, 8 in 1 pack. What do you think, huh? What do you think? What do you think? 26 June, can't wait. Anyway, goodbye. I'll miss you for the time that you're outside, and then I'll see you again soon. Bye.
டேய் சுத்திரானி டேய் செம ஹாட் मची है यार ये प्रवीण इनसे पढ़ा पातिया अरे यार बड़े ये पेंचो कैसे कर रहे हो तू நல்லா क्या சுத்திரானி பிரதீகனா நல்லா இருக்கீங்களா நான் தான் உங்க ஆசோப்ல வந்திருக்கேன்
பிரதீகனா உங்களை நான் என்னைக்குமே மறக்க முடியாது நானா எப்போ பார்த்தாலும் அண்ணா அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு வருவீங்க என்னால் மறக்கவே முடியாது. நான் ரொம்ப ஜாலியான கேரக்டர் SRCCல பார்த்தீங்கன்னா உங்களை மாதிரி ஒரு ஜாலியான கேரக்டர் பார்த்தது இல்லை. நான் உங்க கூட அவ்வளோ டைம் ஸ்பெண்ட் பண்ணதில்லை. பட் தென் ஸ்டில் I wish you should have been in my set, sir, actually. I miss you a lot, actually. Then what else? I haven't seen, as I have said earlier, I haven't seen a jolly character like you. Miss you, sir. Go well, do well in London. Do well in London.
और भाई क्रॉस रोड तो खत्म हो गया भाई.
बिल्कुल खत्म हो गया.
सीरत सर.
मिस्टर प्रेसिडेंट.
यार हम आपके बारे में क्या बोले. क्योंकि अगर हम यहाँ बैठे बैठे अगर आपके हम क्वालिटीज हाईलाइट करते रहे ना सर, तो सर सॉरी टू से लेकिन वीडियो का टाइम लिमिट खत्म हो जाएगा।
सर आपने अपनी लाइफ में इतना कुछ किया, इतना कुछ
सब कुछ तो कर लिया यार सर आप,
हमारी मजबूरी समझा करो सर, हम कुछ इतना बोल नहीं सकते हम।
तो सर कमिंग स्ट्रेट टू द पॉइंट, हम आपको जानते हैं एक बेहतर इंसान के रूप में, तो एज अ पर्सन आपने हमेशा में हम आपको हमेशा एडमायर करते हैं।
हम आपको हमेशा एडमायर करते हैं
और सर हमेशा आपसे कुछ सीखने को मिला सर, झूठ नहीं बोल रहे, मजाक नहीं कर रहे,
बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिला आपसे।
तो सर यही है कि आप आगे लाइफ में जो भी करो बहुत अच्छे से करो, हैव अ ग्रेट ईयर अहेड। और अपना तो सर ड्राम सॉन्ग के अलावा भी कनेक्ट है,
शायद तक आप समझ गए होंगे कौन सा कनेक्शन है।
तो सर डू वेल इन लाइफ, और अगर भगवान ने चाहा तो अगला साल हम आया में अहमदाबाद में दोनों जरूर मिलेंगे,
और हम भी कहीं मिलते रहेंगे कभी ना कभी। तो सब
चलो
बाय सर।
DJ has always been a special person for the entire Noises Off team, because he was one person who we could go to for almost anything. I think some of us still go to him for like advice on life and on our exams and everything. And I don't know, it's good. I know for a fact that I'm not going to miss DJ, because I'm going to still be in touch with him. Like I'll still be calling him when I'm like 35 and pregnant and asking him for like advice with the same, because that's the kind of person DJ is. He'll just tell you to like calm down and stuff and just take things one at a time. And while doing Noises Off, I come to think of DJ as Joshi, so I'll always be like a Joshi fangirl, thereby a DJ fangirl, and I'll always try my best to be a female DJ, and I just hope DJ that you live up to your part of being female, Pallavi.
Man Boobs के बादशाह DJ, you've been that one person that I knew even before I came to this college, and मैं तेरे से पहले ही चेप हो गया था, कॉलेज शुरू होने से पहले ही I started calling you up, and I think I was very happy when you chose me in Noises Off. I was relieved, so thanks a lot for that. I think you are one of the most genuine people that I've ever met, and the advices that you've given me have always been constructive. I've got my share of advices. You're famous for your advices, so I've got my share, and they've always worked for me, don't worry. So thanks a lot for that. And बहुत बड़ा हरामी है तू, अंदर से बहुत बड़ा हरामी है, घिनौना आदमी है, लेकिन बाहर से किसी को दिखाता नहीं है. I have seen that, I know it, and thanks a lot for supporting my share of घिनौनापन. So DJ, you'll be missed a lot. Your presence will be missed a lot. Fucking missed a lot. Fucking you will be missed, DJ. And now that you will be village hopping, I think I try my best to keep in touch with you. Bye bye. And एक और चीज़, राधिका संभालो अपने आप को.
Hi Deej, you are like my ultimate pop culture bank. I can discuss everything with you, TV shows, movies, any new kind of TV series that pops up on the web, celebrities, drama, anything, because you're super approachable. That's just an excuse to come and talk to you because you're awesome, and you've been a great director. You helped me out a lot, and I've learned a lot from you. Like, a lot of people see you as a fun figure, but you taught me so much. Like, I always wanted to know why were you so calm in front of the storm? Like, शांत खड़े हुए हो और कुछ बोल नहीं रहे हो, सब कुछ इधर उधर टूट रहा है, गिर रहा है. Noises Off में तो कुछ ना कुछ होता ही रहता था. So I always wanted to know why you're that way. And you know, I really learned that you make sure that the situation doesn't worsen by your own attitude towards the problem. And I've tried to apply that in my life everywhere. Like I said, you taught me a great deal. And I've enjoyed you more when I've seen emotion, or let's just say anger in you. Let's not forget the fucking night when you told us that you will fuck you, fucking love you guys, and I'll fucking miss fucking Hindi stage. And you said very weird things. I have the entire recording with me, and I listened to it beach mein, and it's quite memorable. And I'll remember every time I spent with you in like random locations, canteen, just discussing life and politics and whatever's happening in the universe. And I'll fucking miss you a lot.
Hi DJ. So basically what I wanted to tell you is that you've been greatly instrumental in dispelling the notion that seniors are not approachable. In fact, since my first dance off party, I've been badgering you about all my problems. I've come up to you. I remember the first party I came up to you telling you about how I hate Delhi and about how I don't fit in Delhi. And ever since then, I've just been coming to you every time. I don't know what it is about you, but then you're very approachable. And also, I hope you miss the fact that I beat you up every time I'm drunk. So, and I bite you. So, and you're gonna go, which is making me very sad because I'm not gonna have anyone to talk to and no one to beat up, and you're gonna not have anyone to beat you up. So, bye DJ, all the best for whatever you do, and please get me a job at Cricket next year, please, please, please. Bye.
Fucking Dhananjay, you fucking will miss you so fucking badly. Yeah, I think none of us will forget how annoying and funny and very annoying you were during that day. And well, maybe except Kritika, because I don't think she remembers anything. But then we'll miss you. I still can't really get the feeling that you guys are graduating. I'll miss you when I see no one wearing cool pajamas and cool t-shirts in college. I'll miss you when I need homemade poha. I'll miss you when I want sensible advice and there's no one around. And I'll miss you during parties for sure, because how you protect two people from making out.
DJ, I still remember the first day when I met you, during Dramsock auditions, and you caught me like that, and you were like, "Do you want a Coke bottle up your ass?" And I was like, "No." Then, "Do you want to touch another guy's balls?" I was like, "No." And then you're like, "Leave the hostel," and you walked away. And I also remember how you got me to leave Panache. You told me what role I was getting one day before we were supposed to audition for those roles. But that's fair enough. Aur matlab, you're easily the one senior who I've been the closest to in the 2 years of my college life. And बहुत advice लिए तेरे से. सबसे घटिया advice जो कोई दे सकता है ना, तूने मुझे दी है. Enactus हो, रेनू अग्रवाल हो, रूटो 4, हर जगह बेंचो चुद गया तेरी वजह से. और बॉम्बे से 2-4 चीज़ें ले आ गया. Everyone proclaimed you as the cool DJ, the guy who set the pajama, thing, and everybody wanted to be DJ's #1 fan. But I mean, deep down, you're one person who I feel really comfortable talking to. I've shared a lot with you. I think you know more about me than probably anyone else in this college. And I mean, this is not goodbye, man, where it comes to you. If not you, I will definitely keep in touch. And I wish you all the success in your life. जहाँ पर भी जाएगा, एक चीज़ याद रखियो, जितना इमोशन तूने अनटाइटल्ड में दिखाया था ना, उसका 10% अपनी ज़िंदगी में दिखा. अदरवाइज तुझे भी पता है क्या होता है जब तू थोड़ा पी लेता है. बट टेक केयर मैन, and all the best.
Hi DJ, it's really hard to talk about you because you've been so many different things to me. You've been this wise old sage who's giving the right advice, but you're also this, creepy person with your Bihari accent, and at parties you're like this gossip monger. But at the same time, you've been such a cool senior, and I've enjoyed every single part of this personality that you have, and I will really, really miss you.
I'm not here to talk about your pajamas. Everyone has done that. One thing I have learned from you is how not to let emotions get to your head. Matlab, on one hand we had Nilesh, who was all about giving those long lectures and emotionally enriching us, but you on the other hand taught me how just business means business. Get your work done, separate your emotions from your work. I really, that's one thing I've never seen it anywhere else.
Hi DJ. DJ, you've always been the go-to person for me. Whenever I've needed like academic advice, people advice, or advice on any other things, you've always been there, and you've always been the person who I've approached no matter what. And it's been great working with you for Noises Off, and also on other things here and there, and just knowing you as a person. And the thing which I like the most about you is how calm you can keep yourself in any circumstance. When tempers are running high here and there, how calm and composed you can keep yourself, and that is one thing which I truly admire about you. And yes, I'm gonna really miss you, and I will still keep calling you to take random advice on other things, and it's been great knowing you. Bye.
3 coolest things about DJ: his pajamas, the baby doll dance, and the fact that he's seen Downton Abbey. Remember the time Matthew died and I was so upset, and just you were there to comfort me. That was so good. But then not always comforting, are you? You're the kind of guy who'll go all out with the reality. Kid, survive it. That's what happened to me. Whenever I go to him for life issues, parenting issues, assignment problems, teacher problems, friend issues, he'll just be, that's the truth. Deal with it. So, that's a very rare quality, you know. No fabrication, just plain truth. I will really miss all the fun that we had during Escapades, the 4 nights that we had, crazy drinking and partying. And I guess I don't want you to go, Tej. So don't. Stay.
आशिता दी, हमारे हिसाब से यू वर वन ऑफ द फ्रेंडलीस्ट सीनियर्स वी एवर केम अक्रॉस. आप बीच बीच में मिल जाते थे कॉरिडोर में, वो स्माइलिंग फेस मैं भूल नहीं पाऊँगी. आप पूछा करते थे प्रैक्टिसेस कैसी चल रही हैं और अंदर की खबरें भी पूछा करते थे. और काश हम थोड़ा और समय साथ बिता पाते, लेकिन जो भी हमने बॉन्ड डेवलप किया है आई चेरिश दैट फॉर एवर एंड हम आपको बहुत मिस करेंगे.
मुझे आशा दी आपकी एक बात ना अभी तक समझ नहीं आई. एक तो आपका वर्दू सर से लिखता, सीरत सर से, और कौन था, कबीर सर से. यार क्या करते थे और पूरे साल क्या करते थे,
पूरे टाइम कमिटेड नहीं है उसमें भी.
आपका सच्ची कुछ समझ नहीं आया, लेकिन यार आप जो भी थे बेस्ट सीनियर थे. आपकी बहुत ज़्यादा याद आएगी.
बहुत याद आएगी. वी लव यू.
सेठू सर, सेठू सर, सेठिया.
अरे पागल क्या बच्चों?
मैं इधर हूँ. ओ तेरी सेठिया.
तो पागल है क्या बच्चों?
देखिए सर, हाय सर. सर आपके साथ स्मोकअप करने के मजा ही अलग है सर, अलग ही लेवल में सर.
सर आप इकलौते सेकंड ईयर जिसकी कैपेसिटी मतलब फाड़ है, मतलब
थर्ड ईयर.
हाँ थर्ड ईयर, सॉरी थर्ड ईयर, लगते नहीं हो ना. आप इकलौते थर्ड ईयर जिसकी कैपेसिटी फाड़ है सर, मतलब 4-5 खंबे है.
अरे सर 4-5 खंबे अकेले जेल लेते हो.
और पता नहीं कहाँ रख मतलब इतने से पेट मेरे नहीं आ पाता, आप क्या जाता है. इनक्रेडिबल सर, सैल्यूट है.
आपकी टैंकी अंदर कितना टैंकी का साइज इतना बड़ा है ना. चलो छोड़ो.
दारू को छोड़ के सर आप बहुत ज़्यादा चिल, मतलब आपके साथ रहने में इतना मज़ा आता है ना कि मतलब कोई टेंशन ही फील नहीं होती कि कॉलेज में क्या चल रहा है, क्लास में क्या चल रहा है. आपके साथ दिन भर इरफान से बैठ जाओ ना मैं, तो मुझे कोई गम नहीं.
कॉलेज में सबसे चिल आउट आदमी प्रवीण नक्कर.
मैं कभी भी कुछ ऐसे अगर परेशान होगा, अगर नक्कर सर आप मिल जाते हो ना बीच में, तो बोलते हैं अबे पागल है, माँ चुदाने देना, मांचो तू आना, अपने मजे करते हैं. ये सही है. ऐसे ही सर ये है ना, आपका वंश जो है ना खत्म हो गया. सिद्धांत नक्कर चले गए, आप भी चले जाओगे, आपका खत्म है. आप चिल आउट करने के लिए होगा कौन?
कोई आ रहा है क्या?
कोई आ रहा है क्या नया नक्कर?
आ रहा है. अरे पागल है क्या?
पागल है क्या?
सीटू सर, छोटा पैकेट बड़ा धमाका, ऐसे हमारे सीटू सर. तो सर खत्म हो गए आपके 3 साल, जा रहे हो आप. सर आपको एक बात बताऊंगा, आप है ना मेरे बड़े भाई की तरह सर. सही में आपके साथ बहुत कुछ शेयर किया है, बहुत कुछ सीखा आपसे, और स्पेशली दारू पीना. तो लास्ट आफ्टर पार्टी में आपने फर्स्ट टाइम मुझे दारू पिलाई थी, उसके बाद से आज तक दारू पी रहा हूँ मैं. सर आपको बट एक एडवाइस दूंगा सर, कि थोड़ा सीरियस हो जाओ लाइफ में, कुछ पढ़ लो, कुछ कर लो ढंग से. अब मजाक करना खत्म हो गया, खत्म करो ये सब.
अबे हट, डोंट लूज योर आइडेंटिटी सर. सीटू सर, यू हैव बीन वन ऑफ द बेस्ट सीनियर्स एवर, व्हिच नो वन कैन डिनाई इट, एंड कूल सीनियर्स वी कैन से.
कूल सीनियर.
एंड नथिंग मच सर, डू वेल.
पागल है क्या बेंचोद? तो सर बाय सर, बाय.
हाँ तुषार, 4th वाला पॉइंट कौन सा है? अच्छा चल, हाँ ठीक है, कोई नहीं. तुषार, he is the most charismatic person that I have known. In fact, he's not very approachable because he's always surrounded by girls. He's the most good-looking senior that I have known. I'm going to miss him a lot, from the bottom of my heart. You went from being the weirdest senior I ever met to like the weirdest and easiest to talk to senior, because you had these little like quirks and foibles and like irritating qualities which made it easier for like a junior to talk to. Like वो दीवार हट जाती थी senior discomfort वाली, and
I really enjoy your sense of humor, which is completely unintentional. I love your llama laugh. Your quirks are brilliant. Like, there are things that people would react to and then you would react to them in a very different manner, and that's adorable to me. And I have actually spent time with you on 4 trips: Kanpur, Manali, Goa and Bombay, and experiences in all 4 have been very different. Like, sometimes we've argued, sometimes we've hung out together, but it's been enriching. I've learned a lot about you. It's been really funny. And I know that you're going to Hyderabad, so keep in touch. I'll give you my psychiatrist's number. You can go meet him.
So I've met a lot of weird people in my life, especially in college, but I've never seen someone like you, Binyani. How weird are you? You top the list. I mean, you roam around alone in college, you sit in the canteen alone, you stare at squirrels, for God's sake. What's wrong with that? Despite all of that, I think Binyani, you're a very sweet and a very helpful person and really cooperative. We had no problems doing lights in whatever performances we did it in. I'm sorry, that's a lie. I can't lie that much. I mean, what's wrong with you? Remember LTG, where there was no curtain call because of you, because you kept my phone in your pocket and you were lost in your own thoughts. But yeah, despite all of that, I think you're a very sweet person and you're one of the few seniors that I can really count on. And I'll really miss you in college, and I wish you all the best for whatever you do.
What do I say about Tushar? Well, I could always start by being a little awkward. Okay, so Tushar is, I think, the most normal person on earth, the person with the most normal traits, most normal quirks. For example, he hits himself in the face after yawning. He's got the weirdest laugh. He sends you blank, textless, expressionless Snapchats, because I think there's like a deeper, bigger meaning involved that only enlightened people understand. But all I'm saying is that Tushar's a really unique personality. Like, he's really different, and he's actually a lot of fun to hang out with. All I want to say to him is, don't you dare walk out of this college with your pretty face, your lean and tall body, with Verity in your backpack, or being excited about being a future CFA, thinking that your new life will be any better, any cooler than what you had here. Because it won't be. You will miss us. I really hope you do.
gunpowder dosa, mirchi dosa, idli dosa.
अरे यार अपना डायलॉग ले.
तो रिगार्ड ले.
Yeah.
So for the most sweetest and the creative person of SRCC, Guhan Anna. सर, आप सबसे सपोर्टिव सीनियर हो. आप हमेशा अपने जूनियर्स की हेल्प करते हो. चाहे कुछ भी हो, आप हमेशा उनके लिए रहते हो. तो ये बहुत अच्छा रहता है आपकी, और आपको हम बहुत मिस करेंगे सर. और बच्चा.
Cute smile. And then a creative person, what else a person needs. May the Almighty bless you with a wonderful life ahead. All the best, miss you.
Bye, sir.
गुहान सर, वेल, आपके लिए मैं स्पेशली हिंदी में बात करूँगी. आप बड़े क्रिएटिव बंदे हो. आपका वो जो हिस्टोनिका वाला डोर था, वो तो माइंड ब्लोइंग था. और हम हमेशा बताए गुहान सर का स्वीट NSS वाला अच्छा पर्सनालिटी जानते हैं, पर आउट ऑफ ऑल द गॉसिप हमें पता चला है कि गुहान सर की एक बहुत अच्छी दूसरी वाली पर्सनालिटी भी है, जो बोल सकते हैं ड्रग डीलर वाली पर्सनालिटी है, जो हमें पता चली है. तो ये तो हमें पता करनी पड़ेगी सर. वील हैव टू सिट एंड इंटरैक्ट अबाउट दिस. एंड सर, आप मतलब सीनियर से ज़्यादा आप हमारे लिए हमेशा एक अच्छे फ्रेंड रहे हो, तो थैंक यू फॉर दैट.
All you hostlers, you all will suffer for this.
गोवन सर, आप बहुत स्वीट और केयरिंग सीनियर हो सर. कानपुर में आपने हमारे लिए इतना सब कुछ किया. हमारे पराठे लाए, शैंपेन लाए, कबीर सर के बर्थडे के लिए शैंपेन लाए, केक लाए, मतलब आप इनक्रेडिबल हो सर।
बट कॉमेडी की बात ये है ना, सब हमें बोल रहे हैं किसी को मत बताना कि शैंपेन लाए हैं, और सबको भी पता है कि शैंपेन लाए हैं। हमने बोल रहे पता है शैंपेन है, किसी को बोलना होता है अबे साले हमें खुद ही पता है, हमें खुद लेके आए। हमें बोल रहे हैं कि नहीं लाए हैं, किसी को मत बताना, खुद ही सबको जाके बता दिए। कैसे हो यार आप?
सर आप बहुत सॉलिड सीनियर हो सर, आपने जो सिलंबा मतलब फाड़ सर, आप फर्स्ट डे से रिस्पेक्ट है सर आपके लिए।
और ये जो है ना आप गोवन भैया, आप बोलते हो फर्स्ट ईयर में कहते माय गुरु सेड ना यू शुड नॉट ड्रिंक और स्मोक बिकॉज दैट विल अफेक्ट योर लाइफ लेटर ऑन। मैं जब फर्स्ट ईयर में आया ये बता रहे थे, खुद को देखो पहले, अब इतने नशेड़ी बन गए अब तो पूरे।
अब तो फ्लैट पे आके बोलते हैं ब्रांडी पी लो, दारू मत पियो, ब्रांडी पी लो।
फेवरेट ब्रांड ब्रांडी।
अब जब भी मैं फ्लैट जाता हूँ ना, पहले ये बोलते हैं गुड़ ना दम गुड़। ये लेके जाता है वो हमेशा।
मचा और काश गुड़ रहा है, क्या है? जब घर तो जाते नहीं, घर चले जाओ, बहुत टाइम हो गया, अब घर चले जाओ, ठीक है?
तो जाओगे तो मिलके जाना सर, बहुत याद आएगी अब।
हमारे क्यूटेस्ट टाइनिएस्ट लिटिल सीनियर एंड पैराडॉक्सिकली और गलती से आप हमारे सीनियर ही थे। और आपके बिना कानपुर की यादें, हमारी प्रैक्टिसेस की यादें एकदम अधूरी होंगी।
कानपुर तो आप ही थे शायद, आप और सीटू सर, वरना हमारे डायरेक्टर्स ने तो हमें रुला दिया था।
ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं थे उस टाइम।
इवन कानपुर नहीं, हमारी हर प्रैक्टिस जब भी आप आते थे, हमारे चेहरे पर खुद ब खुद मुस्कान आ जाती थी। आई थिंक आपको ये डिपार्टमेंट दिया गया था कि आप हमें खुश रखें, जो आपने 2 साल हमें बहुत खुश रखा है। आपको देख के खुश हो गए हम। आप भी इसी तरह हमेशा खुश रहना, मुस्कुराते रहना और अच्छे
आपने हमें इतनी सारी स्टोरीज सुनाई अपनी शादी की, और हमें काफ़ी टाइम तक लगा था कि आपकी एक्चुअली में शादी हो गई है। मैंने कानपुर में आपके साथ बहुत फ्लर्ट किया, और जिसका शायद मुझे रिजल्ट भी मिला। मुझे आपसे एक बार मैसेज आया था आई लव यू, और ये कन्फेशन है जो मैं सबके सामने कर रही हूँ।
आपकी गर्लफ्रेंड का बात पता चल गया अब।
पता नहीं को कौन सी पार्टी में किस दारू के नशे में बोला था, बट बोला था। और
हम विश करते हैं कि आप आगे बहुत सक्सेसफुल हो।
और डोसे बनाते रहो,
यम्मी डोसा बनाओ प्लीज,
थोड़े और यम्मी
डोसा।
और लाइफ में खूब अच्छा करो और हमसे हमेशा टच में रहो।
We miss you sir.
Yes.
And we
love you.
In the jungle, the mighty jungle, the lion sleeps tonight. In the jungle, the mighty jungle, the lion sleeps tonight.
Basin, initially you were very irritating and you used to not know our names. You called us production all the time. You made us sit for practices without knowing us. You spoke to us without knowing us. But now I realize what a genuine person you are, and I see a lot of good in you that I initially did not see. You've become a very close friend and you've done a lot for me that I did not expect a lot of my close friends to do. And that makes me really happy. This semester especially has been very good for me because of you. You've played a major part in it, and so I think you should show that you're a genuine nice person. Don't hide it behind all that hair. And I'm really happy that we've become what we've become, and I really hope that you're gonna stay around. You stayed around for black comedy all the time, even when you were not needed. You were the only person who was probably more useless than me in that play. So I'm really happy that you were there. So stay around. I'm going to miss you, but then I know you'll always be there. You're always going to be cheap to us. You're always going to hang out. So I'll miss you.
Hi Fasin. So when I was inducted into English stage, Sudhir told me that Ambika will be directing a play. And I didn't even know that you were the director of the down plot for at least a week. And I always confused you with Rishan for some reason. I've told you that. And I realize it now that I never got to know you properly in the first year, because you were always cracking jokes trying to be like Chandler, and except for our occasional conversations about Bombay and Delhi, Bombay versus Delhi, or you convincing me to have to smoke up, I don't think we ever opened up or got to know each other properly. But that has changed in the past semester, and I'm glad it did, because you're such an amazing friend, and I'm glad you were a part of Black Comedy as well, because I am a better actor because of your help. And I am generally going to miss so much about you. I'm going to miss seeing you around in college. I'm going to miss your blue car. I'm going to miss seeing it in the parking lot and playing really loud music on our way back home after practice. And yeah, that's about it.
Bhasin, indeed, yo, yes. Yeah.
So we have like a long line of thank yous for you. That's all we have.
Yes.
So thank you for 4x4 Sarvapriya Vihar for all our practices, parties and sleepovers.
Indeed.
Yeah, thank you for your car and patrol for transporting all our props through both through the 2 years.
Indeed, and thank you.
Years.
And thank you for your carpet of thick black hair for providing us with like an insane amount of material for jokes. That's always brilliant.
Thank you for being excessively cheap in your second and in your third year.
Yes, and
you were an integral part of black comedy.
Integral, indeed. I don't know what that. I don't know what else
Okay.
that. Yeah. Anyways, So like yeah, life was awesome, and
You're
yeah,
awesome.
You're awesome. The only thing is that you can be a little manly with a good beard. Do not remove that beard. Indeed, do not remove the beard.
No, that
it looks really
sick.
good. Yeah. Anyways, yeah, and your house was awesome, and you were awesome as well. Although you never gave us like
Oh,
things
we're
that
still
weren't
using
expired.
your house. Like once you pass out,
Yeah.
you're still going to be in Delhi, and we're still going to use your house.
Yeah, even if you're not in Delhi,
Even
give
if
us the
you're
keys.
not-
Yeah. We'll make merry with your maid and whatnot. It'll be fine.
Oh yeah, your maid, Bhasin.
Yes.
How is she?
Man, I hope she's fine.
Yeah.
Anyways, yeah.
Okay,
Nice
bye.
knowing you. I hope you have the best
Thanks.
in life. Bye.
निधि कुछ याद आया यार? आपको इरिटेट करके मेरे को जितना मज़ा आया ना, उतना शायद ही मेरे को किसी सीनियर को इरिटेट करके आया। लेकिन यार अब प्रॉब्लम हो गया, आप जा रहे हो तो मैं इरफान पे इरिटेट किसको करूँगा? मैं चिल किससे याद करूँगा? और मैंने आपको कहा नहीं है, लेकिन मैं आपका चिल्ड आउट एटीट्यूड का बहुत बड़ा फ़ैन हूँ।
अब के सावन ऐसे बरसे बह जाए रंग, मेरी चुनर से भीगे तन मन, जिया रतर से जम के बरसो जरा घटा सावन की, घटा सावन की।
और आप गाते भी बड़ा अच्छा हो, तो आप ऐसे ही सुपर एक्साइटेड एंथुसियास्टिक रहो एंड मे यू हैव अ ग्रेट ईयर अहेड।
हम बहुत मिस करेंगे आपको, बहुत बहुत मिस करेंगे। बाय।
You are so Chotu, and yet you're so energetic. Your energy is infectious, and you're so full of energy and so bubbly. And I think I'm gonna miss you a lot at Irfan's. And thank you for all the food. Well, you know, one thing that I've learned from you is that even though you're so rich, you're very down to earth. I just hope all the best for you, that in the future you just become someone really great, and I can look up to you and say that yes, I knew this girl.
Hi Ambika, we're going to say some things about you because you asked us to. We're just going to open the speech that you dictated to us yesterday.
So, point number 1, Ambika, you're really nice.
You're an inspiration for a lot of us.
You hold the team together.
You're a good director. You were a good director.
And you were very nice.
Nice person.
Which is bullshit. I don't want to go according to this list anymore. But honestly, you've been very nice, very sweet, very nice to be with. You did hold the team together, and if it wasn't for you, a lot of things wouldn't have happened in my life. My life would be very, very different if you weren't a part of it. You've been very nice to us in general. A lot of times you've been with us. Every party, 3 of us somehow just always end up together in
You
one
always
corner.
get drunk and then you hug us each for 5 minutes and tell us these things of what you think of us and how much you're going to miss us.
And those things remain the same after every time you get drunk.
But
So-
still, each and every time it has its own charm, and we're definitely going to miss you at these dance up parties, and we're going to miss seeing you in college. Just generally, you with your scarves and chunnis and the bindis that you like to wear,
big
and the
blue
bag
backpack.
and your Crocs. Just not seeing you around in college is going to be really, really awkward for us. And I want to thank you because seeing you being so involved in the play last year, I got interested in theatre and dramatics, and that is why I'm acting today. So I owe that to you. And just generally, Ambika, you've been a really good friend for both of us, and we can talk to you, and we're really going to miss you.
Hello, Lippy Sharma. So you remember this initial phase of Dance Plot where, you know, we didn't get along so well and there was this whole barrier and so much unsaid, but things changed quite a bit, and I give you full credit for that because I admire the way you just go out of your way to create this special bond with each and every person of your team, each and every member of your team, and how you have this, you share something or the other with everybody. And I think that's what created this, and that's the reason I'm so close to you, and thank you for that. You're this small, and it's so funny how you're so headstrong about everything. You have this whole idea of what's wrong and what's right, and nobody can change that, and that's wonderful. That's what created Dance Plot. That's what I picked up from you and I'm using right now. I'm going to miss a lot of things sitting with you at the co-op and discussing my whole issues of economics or how to direct a play, and every time I was stuck, I would just think, what would Ambika do? And that's exactly what I did. I'm going to miss going to my bar and getting drunk with you and crying after that. I'm not going to miss that because we're going to do quite a lot more of that. I'm going to miss you calling Entourage, Entourage and laughing at you, and Bhasin and Rishan and everybody taking your case the whole time. You're awesome. Stay the way you are. That's what I love about you the most, and thank you for everything that you've given me. Whatever I know about theatre, it's all because of you. Love you.
So Ambika is the sweetest person in Tramsock. As a junior, I was a very irresponsible junior, and I had many other priorities, but as a director she gave me my flexibility and she gave me my own space so that I could manage things very comfortably, because if I would have been a director and I would have had a junior like myself, I would have chucked myself out like long time back. But Ambika was very sweet, and it was a very nice thing to have a senior like Ambika at the helm as a director, and I had a lot to learn from her. She's the sweetest person I've met.
Hi Bambi. Bambi, I think that getting you as my director was one of the best things that happened to me in my first year. During my second year, I believe that we've come closer. Now, you're not just a senior, you're also an amazing friend. You're someone who I always confided in, and no matter what issue or problem I had, you're the first one I run to always, and talking to you always makes things better. So, and yes, you get bhunned in 2 sips, like seriously, that's all it takes. Then you do your crazy lame dance and you start talking. So I believe there hasn't been even one party when we haven't talked after getting drunk, and those are really my favorite moments of every party. So even though you've become a nerd, totally, you really made new friends and you really ignore us nowadays. You don't care about us anymore. I still love you the same.
Hello. I didn't see you there. Hello, Bams. Yes, anyways. How's life? Good? I thought so, yes. You know, life has not been the same with you or without you. I don't know how that adage goes at it. Why is the camera not facing my face? I don't know why. Like, life is very awkward. And I'm really glad that you're in my life, because life is awkward and you add more to the awkwardness, which makes it more awkward. Yes, I don't know how to say things about you because there's so many things to say and I can't articulate my thoughts properly. You should know that, of all people. And there are just so many emotions running right inside me right now, like boredom, if you count that as one, sleepiness, and whatnot. But you know, yeah. At the end of the day, I know that, again, this is not a farewell speech because I know that you're going to be in my life later, so the only thing I can say right now is till then. Or something of that sort. Anyways, oh yeah, what did you tell me to say about you? You are a good teacher. You taught me everything I know in drama. It's drama, yes. And, oh yeah, the villager way you say poverty. Remember how I got you into that whole scandal? Bams, what do you call people living under $2 a day?
Living below poverty line.
You're really funny though, sometimes. And even when you call prunes non-vegetarian, what is wrong with you, Bams? Think for a second in life. Think! But yeah, you know, you're gonna do great in life. And I know you'll be one big shot World Bank development dude. Just give me a job then, because I might plan to work there as well. Yes. Yeah, anyways, life was awesome with you and I'm really glad you're in my life. And soon, I hope to see you more in my life sometime soon. Something of that sort. Bye!
Hi Achintya. Achintya, we've known you through two societies, Tramsock and Travelers, and working with you has been really, really nice. We believe that you're one of the most sweet and approachable seniors that we had.
You never really treated us like a junior in our first year. So thank you for always being there for us.
All the very best for your future.
We'll miss you.
Bye.
Yo Achintya, you have been a really nice dude and a really cool friend. And I just wanted to say that I don't like you for one reason. And that one reason is because you drew penises on Ahuja's car before I did. That was my domain, Achintya. My domain! But it's fine, you know. But you're a really nice guy. And Ahuja told me that you liked people doing random shit. So I'm going to do something very random for you. Indeed, you like that, don't you? Yeah, so anyways, thanks for being such a great friend. The Lakshmi Dairy milk, that was awesome. Badam milk, I guess it was called. But yeah, thanks for all of that. And I'm gonna miss you next year. And I hope you stay awesome. I hope everything works out for you in life. And I hope you have a happy one.
So, Adila, you're probably the laziest fucker I know on this planet. I mean, anything and everything. Be it getting up in the morning to give an exam, no, you're too lazy. Or you got your GMAT exam postponed using your contacts, but in the end you were too lazy to give it, तो नहीं दिया. And I think the worst is तो तेरा revaluation 1 mark से छूट गया, नहीं तो तुझे भी पता है तू क्या कर सकता था. And I'm pretty sure जो noises off में हमारे gunshots miss होते थे, probably because you were too lazy to press that space bar. But nevertheless, behind that rock solid, emotionless face of yours, you're a very sensible, very street smart person. And you've given me a lot of good advice which I really value, and hopefully it will come to use in the future. Whatever you do in the future, इतना तो पता है तुझे दुनिया का चूतिया कटवाना है और तू कटवाएगा. I hope you start like an election and event management company, and if not the world, at least DU colleges का चूतिया तो कटवा ही लेगा तू. All the best for the future, and yeah, let's see where life takes you.
Rasim sir, you are the sweetest senior that we've had in street. I can say this without doubt. And well, I remember dancing with you on our ethnic freshers day, and I was wearing sport shoes and you were all fascinated because I was all dressed up in wearing sport shoes, so that was so amazing. And dancing with you on Illa songs, like going crazy and on the seats, that was fun. I can also say this, that you were a very good student, because in Gyan Gurukul I taught you a lot of maths in the second semester. I hope you remember that. One thing that I am still waiting for is that bike ride, and I hope I get that soon.
रसीम सर, मैं आपके साथ 2 साल रह चुका हूँ अभी फ्लैट में. यार आप जाएगा तो फ्लैट में मज़ा ही नहीं आएगा. सोते रहेंगे सब, पढ़ाई भी नहीं होगा, मज़ा भी नहीं आएगा.
ये बफर होते रहेगा. मैं बोल रहा हूँ इनसे ना, ये अब मुझे कम से कम महीने में 10 बार तो बोलते ही हैं मैंने आई हैव स्टॉप्ड स्मोकिंग. महीने में कम से कम 10 बार तो बोल ही देते हैं.
ही इज सो एक्सपर्ट इन क्विटिंग स्मोकिंग. हर दिन बोलते हैं.
और आपके जो ज्ञान है ना, फिलोसफी इसकी यार, राइड वेयर हेलमेट एंड राइड, टिप्पणी थैंक यू सो मच. आई विल वेयर हेलमेट एंड देन राइड. मिस करेंगे यार आपको. भले ही ज़्यादा बात नहीं किया आपसे, बट एक होता है ना जब आपसे मिलते हो, हाँ आए और कैसे हो यार, बात करने का मन करता है. आप उनमें से
आप तो कॉलेज से जाओगे, पर विल ऑलवेज बी विथ मी. घर पे भी आऊँगा, वो तो है ही, घर बगल में ही है घर.
दिल्ली मत छोड़ो यार, 6 में बैग ले आओ यार, ठीक है.
Rasim sir, you're an amazing human being. No matter how late I got to know you, I'm glad that I did. I'm really going to miss each and every moment that I got to spend with you. I know it sounds gay, but it's also true. One last thing. I'm really sorry for that Facebook status once again, and I wish you luck for all your future endeavors. Hi Akanksha.
The best thing about you, probably, you know, whenever I've met you in college, whenever I've seen you, you're always smiling, always laughing. Like, there's never one time where I've not seen you smiling or laughing.
I remember you from practices in first year, and yeah, you were really sweet to us, and you were really used to guide us that no, this is not how it's done. And I think you're one of the most humble people I've met in college, and yeah, the most creative person I've met in college. So
Also extremely innocent. But irrespective, wherever you go, whatever you do, I hope you keep smiling and never lose that charm of yours.
yeah, bye Akanksha.
Pearls of like Shivam wisdom, okay? 2 ground rules of being a third year. 2 ground rules of being a third year. Do the cool hand action. Okay. Okay, rule number 1.
You don't roam with your bag on 2 shoulders. Okay. Rule number 2.
Rule number 2.
No, say it.
Go.
You don't remember? You never walk. You cannot be seen walking alone in the campus.
Hi Shivam, you're really cute and you're really adorable. I won't forget your birthday party last year when you told me that you're gonna quit smoking. I don't know when that's really gonna happen, but then I guess I wish your lungs all the best. Also, if you don't stop fooling around in parties, I'll wish your tongue all the best. Anyway, I had a lot of fun that night when we played Taboo, more like Dirty Taboo. And I guess from there only I'm just gonna say, Shivam Tulsian, I love... Got it, right?
I know you don't like these glasses, but I'm sorry that I had to wear them for the video, logistical reasons. I'm really going to miss you. I'm going to miss you just being around college and coming and taking our cases, or rather trying to take our cases. And I know I'll be in touch with you. You're going to be working in Gurgaon and I'll live in Gurgaon, so yeah. You have been somebody who the Noiser team really values, because you used to come to practices and we'd be really tired after like a day of practice and everything, and you'd come and you'd just like start lighting people's shoelaces on fire, and yeah, people used to run after you and stuff. It used to be fun. And I think I became close to you sometime around the end of like my first year, and I remember we used to like talk quite a bit, but like we haven't been talking that much, and I really hope that we do stay in touch in the future.
शिवम भैया, बहुत कम लोग होते हैं कॉलेज में जिनको आप देख के ना ऐसा मन करता है यार इनके साथ बैठते हैं, बात करते हैं इनके साथ, और वो कुछ लोगों में से आप हो। दिल्ली जब आया पहली बार पार्टी करना आपने ही सिखाया, आपके बर्थडे पार्टी में ये ले पी ले। अब वो पीने का सिलसिला ना अब तक चल रहा है, चलते रहेगा। देखो यार, सच बात बताओ ना, आपसे तो ज़्यादा बात हुई नहीं, पर जितनी भी बात हुई ना, ऐसी बातें कि यार ज़िंदगी भर तक याद रहेगी। हाँ यार, शिवम भी एक थे, वैसे बोले थे, स्ट्राइक करते रहेगा। आप हो, आपको जब भी देखते हो एक ही बात याद आता है, और आप जब रहोगे नहीं तो एक चीज़ को बहुत मिस करूँगा, जो एक चीज़ आप बोलते रहते हैं। टेंशन मत ले यार, मैं हूँ ना तेरे साथ, बहुत मिस करूँगा यार आपको।
Shivam, most of the seniors I interacted with, the senior-junior gap used to be there. Like I used to get the feeling that yeah, you can kid with them, but there's a limit. But with you, there was no such limit. I could take your case and you would take mine all the time. कि stage में क्या कर रही है तू? आने किसने दिया तुझे इस college में, and things like that, you know. So I really enjoyed that.
You were like one of those special few seniors in the society which made my experience in the society very, very memorable. And I hate you often, and I want to kill you like 90% of the time, but I really like you, because I remember the workshop and the audition process. You were one of the nicest, coolest seniors around who helped me out, who helped me out with everything. And then throughout the first year, I remember you were like that, like I was Alice from Wonderland, and you were like Cheshire Cat, always helping me out. कि ये कर, ये farewell में काम करियो, इसके लिए काम करियो, यहाँ पे काम करियो, काम करते रहे, तू काम करेगा, तू बढ़िया बंदा है type. And you actually like really like provided me like the push that I didn't, like, you know, I was anyways getting a lot of push from everybody. You provided me the humorous, like the gentle push that I needed from a person that I actually respected, unlike other people. Even though you're like the biggest gossip in this college, I see your value now that you're going away. So I'll really miss you, and And I know that you want me to say those 3 words that you wanted to like ask me to say in every party when you get drunk. So I'm gonna finally say it. Lick my balls.
ये वीडियो ले रहा है क्या? हाँ। पागल है? मेरे को अभी शॉट।
Sasti Randi Nilesh. Nilesh has been my Bakchodi partner throughout my 2 years of stay in Dramatic Society and in college. I think through the 2 years my ability to bullshit and abuse has grown exponentially because of Basu Roy. And I think ये एक ही बंदा है जो हर प्लान में आ जाता है, हर प्लान के लिए इन होता है, एंड दैट्स लाइक अ मेजर थिंग बिकॉज हर कोई मना कर देगा लेकिन नीलेश बासु राय विल ऑलवेज बी इन. Another major thing is how your ability to motivate people. I think I've made sure that I've tried speaking to you whenever I feel low and it's helped me a lot. The way you motivate people. I'm down in the dumps and like within 2 minutes I speak to you and then I'm back up, and that's an amazing ability that you have. And I think without you, I don't think the Noises of Team would have stuck together for so long. Without so much effort, without you putting in so much effort to keep the team together. So now that you're graduating, I think you'll be missed in college. नहीं होगा तू, वो तेरी छोटी सी दोस्त के साथ घूमता रहता तू कैंटीन में पढ़ने के लिए. I hope that pays off. Hope you get into D school and hope to see you around a lot more. एक बार D school में घुस जा फिर और बकचोदी मारेंगे हम. I don't think you're going anywhere now.
Hi Nilesh. First thing first, I love you. I love you the most, and I'm really gonna miss you once you go away. But you won't, because you'll always be here. Thank you so much for being there as a friend, as a problem solver, as a troubleshooter, as a well-wisher. You assumed so many roles. I mean, you taught me discipline, you taught me humility, and most admirable characteristic about you is just your confidence. Your personality can be a little overwhelming, I guess, but with time, it grows on you.
Nilesh is somebody who I look up to, who I idolize, whose word actually matters to me like quite a bit, and which is kind of unnatural, but yeah, it does. And I know that wherever I am in life, whatever I'm doing, if I just know I can talk to Nilesh at that time, it just motivates me and makes me like think that okay, things can happen, and that's the kind of influence he has on me. I think the amount of hold Nilesh has on people's lives and the kind of person he is and the way he matters to most people, it's brilliant. And especially to me, it shouldn't, and I know it shouldn't, but Nilesh's word means a lot to me, and I hope that I mean as much to him as he does to me, because he means quite a bit.
Crazy! So, hi Nilesh, now that you're graduating, I have to speak about you, and yeah, so you were truly the father of Noises Off. चाहे वो हमारे लिए रेस्टोरेंट्स में ऑर्डर करना हो, और चाहे वो हमारी लड़ाइयाँ सुलझाना हो, चाहे वो बॉन्डिंग सेशन में हमें बोला नहीं मुझे पता है तेरे अंदर बहुत कुछ है, बोल आज बोल. So yeah, I really miss you. You're one person who really held the stage together, and you're one person I really admire, and you're really influential, and we can see that. सब crazy क्यों बोलते हैं इतना, कहाँ से आया वो? So yeah, I really miss you, and I wish you all the best for D school and whatever college you get in, because I know wherever you go, you'll be awesome and you'll leave your presence there, just like you've left it in our hearts. So I love you. Bye.
Nilesh, I don't know what is it about you that even though मैंने सबसे ज़्यादा झगड़ा तुम्ही से किया है, but you're the one I'm closest to, and you know what I think about you, you know how I revere you, you're the greatest. I will not get into all that, but I'll tell you one of the cutest memories I have of us is that when we had just begun with Noises Off and we had just started making the play, and the first scene was when जब मैं phone रख नहीं पाती हूँ and you come and you're supposed to console me and things like that. So remember when you first day of our practice, then when you came to console me, you were like semi hugging me, and I was smiling a little, and I was, according to you, getting shy, but you don't know the real reason I was smiling and laughing. You are such a teddy bear. ऐसे गोलू पोलू को आके मुझे हक करा तो मुझे इतनी हंसी आ रही थी and I didn't know how to react. You're my director. I was kind of scared of you back then. So it was really, you're so cute.
Nilesh, you've been a pillar of inspiration for me through Noises Off, individually as a person, and I really respect you and look up to you for it. I still remember after Stephens, I gave a pretty shit performance, and I remember a lot of seniors coming and criticizing me, and I felt really depressed about it. And then you took me to the side and you're like, "Bhai dekh, jo bhi bol rahe hain maa chuda hai. I know how much work you put into this." And I still remember what a changing point that one moment was, because it helped me find that lost confidence, which I had big issues with this character because I really found it difficult to play it. And not only did you give me that boost in morale, but you also gave me the space which I really required. You took your time, and which is something I really appreciate, because with other characters I did not see you giving that kind of time. But you gave me that time, you had that patience with me, and I think that really went a long way in improving my character. And I'm really going to miss your jokes and your abuses and everything. I just hope you do really well in life, and I'm always going to miss you. Thank you so much for everything.
I know that you've been waiting for this moment, and actually I have been dreading this moment as much as you've been waiting for it. I really don't want you to leave this college. I'm not going to cry in this segment because I've already I've planned that, so don't keep that expectation out of me. I know you want sentimentality. You, Nilesh Basuroy, you mean 99.99% of the society for me. Since first year, the society for me began with you and ended with you. You were everything. Your expectations out of me, your motivation, your encouragement, what you thought of me, what you wanted me to be, what you saw in me as my potential has defined me in this college. I have learned much from you, much. I can write a thesis on what all you've taught me, and it's really helped me. A chunk of me in this college has actually been you teaching me things, and they've actually built my personality, and I will never forget it. मैं कहीं भी जाऊँगा, Nilesh Basuroy is going to be a precious part of my life, and I'm utmost grateful. I love you, and you've since the workshop when you saw me पीछे वाले row से, and you were like, I don't like your body language, can you work that out a little? You teased me, you joked with me, but you actually saw so much in me and you wanted me to grow, and I really didn't see myself as that much, and I want to again thank you for really supporting me throughout Noises Off, the farewell of last year, Histrionica, putting so much potential, putting so much effort, and making sure that I work, and making sure that you see me working, and I'm falling short of words because I didn't plan this. I wanted it to come out of the heart, and I just you are just too much. You just mean too much for me, and I've said many things to you. You already know everything. This is again a recap. I've said everything to you about my life in college, sober or drunk, and again I'm not going to cry. I saved those for diving shots, so I'll miss you too much, and please keep in touch. You mean a lot to me.
Okay, I know this is a little abrupt, but I've got to say this. I know that you'll be a really successful person, and I really hope that you remember me, and I hope that you remember us and all the crazy memories that we had. I wish you all the best in life, Nilesh. Stay happy.
हर एक सांस में, डुबकियों के बाद में, हर भंवर के पास किनारे बह रहे जो साथ में, जो हमारे खास थे, कर गए अपनी बात किनारे। गरमाजी सारे साथ में गैर हो भी जाए, तो खुद ही तो पतवार बन पार होंगे हम। जो छोटी सी हर एक नहर सागर बन भी जाए, कोई तिनका लेके हाथ में ढूंढ लेंगे हम किनारे किनारे किनारे। खुद ही तो है हम किनारे, कैसे होंगे कम किनारे, हैं जहाँ है हम किनारे। खुद ही तो है हम, हाँ खुद ही तो है खुद ही से पूछ लेंगे राहें, यहीं कहीं मौजों में ही ढूंढ लेंगे हम। बूंदों से ही तो है बनी, बांध लेंगे लहरें, पैरों तले जो भी मिले मान लेंगे हम किनारे किनारे किनारे। खुद ही तो